Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra back with another video. So this is my friend Tanisha. She had an event that she was going to, so she just asked me to do like a soft glam beat on her. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As always, do not forget to hit that like button and comment, subscribe. If anything, just make sure you subscribe and let's get into this. So I'm going in with a Sigma foundation brush. And I'm just going in with some MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just putting this all over her skin. I do this for all of my clients first, so that way it has time to set. And also it'll help make the foundation look a lot smoother if she does have any dryness or patches. And I'm just going in with a ColourPop brow pencil in the shade dark brown. And I'm just gonna fill in her brows lightly, just following her natural brow shape. And I'm gonna just use a spoolie side to just thin that out so it's not too thick in the front. And I'm just doing this for both sides. So now I'm just going in with the Sigma concealer brush, and I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. And I'm just going under her brow, making sure to make that line nice and crisp. And I'm also going to blend this out with a buffer brush so that way everything has a nice blend. And I'm going to do this for both sides, going back and forth. And then I'm just going to use that same brow pencil and just fill in any gaps that I feel like might be too thin or I might have gotten rid of when I use a concealer. So now I'm just applying that same concealer all over her lid, and I'm just going to put that all over and blend it out with a buffer brush. And I'm just doing this so that way the eyeshadow that I place on top can stick and it'll last all night, because her event was in the evening and this was like early morning. And I'm just going back in with that same brush that I used to apply the Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to blend out that shade. So now I'm just going in with my Tarte Toasted palette, which I absolutely hate, but I'm not even going to get into this. And I'm just going in with this shade that you see here with a Sigma blending brush. And I'm just going to start building up these colors. This is a simple soft glam look, so I'm just using this to warm up her crease. And then I'm going to blend it out with the BH brush that has nothing on it. This is also a blending brush, and it has no, like I said, no eyeshadow on it. I'm just using it to blend out the edges so that way there's like a nice smooth transition. And now I'm just going in with a eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting on that shimmery shade that's in the top right. It's the third color that I showed previously. And I'm just applying this all over her lid and just blending it out with that BH brush. And now I'm just going in with some Demi Wispies from Ardell, and I'm just putting on some lashes. I opted not to do liner for her just because I felt like she didn't need it. She has really small lids, and I didn't want to make her lids look too wild, so yeah. Now I'm just going in with the makeup palette. I'm using some Black Opal Heavenly Honey, and I'm just applying this all over her face with a buffer brush. And then I'm just going to make sure to blend this out with a beauty blender as well, so that way everything looks nice and smooth. I'm going in with that same concealer I used earlier, which is Warm Sand by LA Girl Pro, and I'm just using a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just applying this all over where I want to highlight on her face. And then I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and make sure everything is nicely blended out. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just setting all those places where I just highlighted. And then I'm going to dust this away after I apply it. I like to put a tiny bit on first and then apply a little bit more and just press it into the skin. Anything that's not going to soak into the skin, I'm just going to dust away. And don't worry if they look a little like ashy or yellow at this point. You just have to make sure that you blend it out with your contour, and also to set it with your spray. So right here I'm just using the Morphe spray, which I actually just started using, I really like. And now I'm just going in with my BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm going to show you guys the shade that I'm using over her face, which is right here. And I'm just going in now with my Juvia's Place Heroin Glow 1 highlighter. I'm going to highlight her face just to accentuate her features. This is like a soft glam beat. And last but not least, we're going to do the lips. So I have on MAC Prep and Prime, which I put on a disposable lip brush. And I'm just going in with the brown liner that I got from my local beauty supply store. And we're going in with the Beauty Bakery Lippy in the color Ginger Snap. So once I'm done lining her lips, I'm just going to go in with another disposable lip brush. And I'm going to apply that all over and just have her blot her lips to blend it out. So now we are almost done, guys. I'm just going to spin her side to side so you can see how nicely her face looks. And I have my ring light on full brightness as always, so that way she won't have any flashback in the cameras. So as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching me slay my friend Tanisha with this soft glam look. Comment down below if you like this look and if you want to see more makeup looks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody have a great Monday.